Okay ke azama ukuthi akhokhise mina ke leyo mali leyo. Kodwa ke udriver asho ukuthi hayi mina ngiyakhansela manje ngoba khona amanye ama-trip emele ngidile nawo. Ngithi mina ayi okay bhuti kodwa bandla ungakwazi ukuthi mewukuthi kanjani mhlawumbe uyagcina ngiphendula lo former friend wami. Ungakwazi ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi ungithathele lo parcela and then mina ngizokuthipa like I'm going to give you your money and then you come to Rivonia. Athi driver no mina anginankinga honestly and ungangi-WhatsApp nokungi-WhatsApp nani. Manje naye uyabuwa ke angimuzwa nokuthi uthini ngithi anguzwa mina manje. And then emva kalapho ngiyashunqa ke manje ngoba besingephi egate-ini. Bengasafuni ukuthi izithi kephi bese ngime egate-ini ngiyilinde egate-ini phone yami. Bengempile egate-ini and bezoyilinda noma isuka kephi eMamelodi le bengizoyilinda. Hayi ngithi udriver angitshele ukuthi uyakhansela. Hawu akhansela udriver. Ngimtext uSiyanda. Ngithi where's my phone wena? Where is my fucking phone? Akasatholakala ungisendele inamba yakhe ayingeni. Ifoni yami ayifoneleki. Kulo WhatsApp lo kade ngimWhatsApp kuwona kuyifoni yami lo kade ngiWhatsApp ngayo ekhuluma nami through my phone akasakhulumiseki. Ngikhuphuka nje ngiyashunqa khona abanye obhuda ngazade benzane e-liftini nabo ngiyasho ukuthi kwasanina ngicela ningudlukele bandla. Ngikhuphuke ngifika endlini mengifika ifinsta yakhe unefinsta. Ufike wangena uqale wangena ku TikTok cause my phone that phone le ayintshontshile i-theft leyana leya phone ayintshontshile. Ufike uyangena ku TikTok yezo mengipost i-video isithombe njengoba kade ngikhuluma ngayo uyadelete okay sharp okay abuyise ke cause udeactivate kwazothi cleanile uhambile ku TikTok uhambile Instagram uhambile uhambe yonke indawo WhatsApp ususa ama profile picture everything. Wathi suka emva kalapho ke wayibuyisa ifinsta mezama ukufinsta uyangizama ungifonela kuifinsta nginawo ama screenshot futhi alawo ama chats ngizonipostela. Wafika wathi wazama ungifonela kushuthi yabo ngilibe ngithi hello sometimes ama calls ku Instagram manjalo hello akezwakali. Okay aphinda phone futhi mefona futhi sengiyakhuluma ke mina ngithi first ngicela phone yami like ngicela phone yami nani ngingamuzwa singazwani athi sisuke emva kalapho ngisenda ama message after message mase vela athi ngiseThekwini. What happened from being in what happened? Besingekho ePretoria. Besingekho in Pretoria not so long ago. Sorry guys, kungena call yo ama call and ama call ayamute ama video yazi. Okay, sharp. Ngimbuze mina ngigcine kephi kwami? Oh, iphelele phi indaba yokuthi ube sePretoria? Useyesuku usethi no I'm in Durban. Ngithi mina uhamba kanjani nefoni yami? Ngicela kahle ngathi mawuhamba endlini yami, shiya ifoni yami, shiya ifoni yami. Ushiya ukhiye wami. Ngiyacela, ushiya izinto zami, ngiyacela. Uhambe emva kalapho ungaphindi ungicabange ngi-right mfethu okwamanje ziningi izinto engibhekene nazo empilweni angifuni ukueda wena angifuni bengitshela ukuthi like I can literally like be your friend and now you can be my friend and sivikelane ukwazi ukungivikela nami mengibhekana nezingqinamba nawo nami ngikwazi ukukuvikela. Kodwa wena instead ukuthi ungivikele uyenzeni wena ungilimazile wangitshontshela imali wangenza lokho and shoot akaqali ungitshontshela imali hayi nokuthi shoot akaqali ungitshontshela imali. Okay but asikho lapho sharp uSiyanda afike athi he yena useThekwini uzongisendela angazi ukephi ubuyele kubo. So me being me ngitshela umngane wami noSipho my friend I'm like noSipho bro uhamba ungilandela ifoni yami mfethu uSiyanda ukuthi ifoni yami useThekwini it went from PTA to eThekwini so quick. Ngathi mina ngicela bandla ukuthi uyongilandela ifoni yami ngiyacela. Wathi umngane wami I say no more sisi walayisha ubhuti bakhe emotweni kwahanjiwa kwayofuna ifoni yami kephi kuSiyanda. Sharp. Meanwhile, mina ngiyamtshela uSiyanda ngithi onginikeza inamba yomuntu ohleli naye lapho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nibhizi njengoba ngithetha mina ngi-frustrated ngingekho right niyahleka nina uyahleka lo muntu ohleli naye lapho libele ubhizi uyagigitheka njengoba kuhlekwa mina ngoba ngiyislima mina akuqhubekani guys nihleke mina nginankinga kodwa egcineni osuku Siyanda angikwenzanga lutho mina angikaze ngakulimaza angikaze ngayenza into etheni or in lento ngenza yona manje ibhlungu lento ngenza yona mfethu like ibhlungu ngempela futhi nalapho angifuni imali yami angiyifuni imali yebusiness it's fine like leyo mali ngamtshela naye ngathi leyo mali leyo ngisacela bandla ukuthi ikwakhela ikusasa lakho landa angikuqalekisi kodwa ngiyasho ukuthi leyo mali nawe la uyithathe khona kwande la uyithathe khona kwande kuze kuphuphume kuchitheke okay uSiyanda emva lapho like mengilibele ngikhuluma naye ngimconfront ngithi Chomi why would you do this to me uvelathi nje no if unosipho ungitshelile usendleleni uyangiziba ngathi khona into ngathi khona into engekho right ekhanda or he's not processing it or maybe he was always like that I did not see it I don't know I really don't know uSiyanda guys mina ngimthandile ngimthathe guys uSiyanda like ene depression enye ongayazi umngani wami ngamthanda bra like ngathi hayibo ngeke phela ngizama ukukhuluma naye ngimcele ngithi Chomi ungayibambi izinto don't hold things in because who knows what could happen ngiyacela ukuthi ukhulume mfethu nami mekuthi khona into oyizwayo because nami angisho ukuthi nami ngiright mina impilo yami ihamba kahle kodwa kuyasiza sometimes ukukhuluma nomuntu yabo ungalibeli ungiqambela amanga mina mfethu ngumngani wakho and mina ngiyakutshela mfethu indaba zami mfethu and uyazazi izinto zami even ngingazona indaba zami like izinto ezingidlayo phakathi mengivuke ngizizwe ngathi konke engidlayo sometimes I remember this other time I had such a hectic month angazi kwenzakalani ngavele kwahlangana konke kuhlelwe kumnandi I just broke down and I started crying for a good 2 hours bengizama ungithulisa nolisa ngikhala yabo lento leyo kulibela uyiziba into singiphuzela utshwala ngiphume kulento singiphuzela utshwala ngiphume kulento kuvele kube kuningi gibelana kugcine sekushubile mina ngemdabukele bese ngithi bese yazi bese soyilungisa lento bese soba right bese ukhuleka like sizoba right bese mase yena uzoqeda uzongenza lento le uSiyanda ungiphoxile shame like ungiphoxile you people know, you guys sorry ngiyaxolisa unibiza ngo you people you guys know ukuthi mina noSiyanda we would go live we would be laughing shama sorry guys ngingena ikholi futhi so for Usiyanda to carry on for Usiyanda to do that to me it actually breaks my heart. It breaks my heart that he's doing that and right now Usiyanda is not such a bad person angazi ukuthi ungenelwe yini but whatever lemngenelile I hope he heals but mina angisamdinga eduze kwami it got to a point where I called his mom ngamtshela uma wakhe ngathi ma ngoba uSiyanda ubehlala nami la ngisacela bandla ukukutshela yonke into eyenzakalayo angifuni ukuthi manje kwenzakalani nani kuthiwe mina ngamtshela uma wakhe everything guys angazi he's I don't know he's not okay mentally lo muntu at this point ngizamile nami ukumkhipha kulezo inkinga lezi abhekana nazo o in ngizamile noma wakhe uzamile umndeni into ayenzayo uma wakhe mezama ukukhuluma nami ube block uma wakhe on my socials unblock namanje ngizama uku DM usisi wakhe ufike wenzani wafike wa block usisi wakhe on my TikTok angazi guys angazi I really don't know